I got many questions regarding this Temu filament. It is a PLA. It cost me around 10 euros per kilo, and this is the box you get it in. Inside it's in plastic vacuum, so everything regarding that is good. I'm already using one spool some time and I'm quite happy, but I want to show you practical print. I really need these storage boxes. They are quite nice. Regarding settings, I'm using standard settings, which I find the best for my illegal Neptun 4. I get really good prints. This is printed with different filament, and this is how it looks. I may say for me it looks perfect, but let's print this bigger one with this Temu filament and see how it will look. Let's send the print to my Neptun 4 and voila, let's print it. This is the finished print. We can see the bottom is really nice, smooth. It can be a bit smoother, but this is pretty nice. The problem is in the walls. We have this which looks like under extrusion. I'm not still really sure what it is, but I'm gonna repeat the print and try to find the problem, because I didn't have this problem with different filament. I just had a perfect prints and everything is the same. So let's try to resolve this with different print. The print is done, and I think, yeah, it was a temperature problem. You can see now that we got this shiny look. Looks quite beautiful. The bottom is not really perfect like with my old filament, but maybe 5 or 10 degrees more would make it superb.